So, Kike, what are we gonna do today?
Shut up.
Are you gonna write a little novel? Ow.
I didn't mean hit you.
You hit my fingers. You hit my little fingers. Fix your shirt.
Fix your shirt.
Kike, where do we live?
That's what she said.
Idiot. Where are you from? We are here. Remember from E.T.? We are here. Where are you from? Where are you from, Kike? Where? My mom. Oh, believe that. Wait, so how do you think you got made?
My dad.
What about mom? You don't know. So your dad was the only person that made you?
Shut the hell.
You know I'm annoying and you like it.
No.
Yes.